Trying to find an antifreeze leak. As you can see, it's coming off this bolt. It's tracing down along the oil pan. So if I put my finger there, I can feel the fluid coming down my finger now instead of off that bolt, which looks like it's above here. So I'm thinking it's the seal of my water pump. I don't know. It's been slowly losing fluid, but not enough that I've been concerned with. And I was burping the air out of it by squeezing the upper hose, and it just started gushing. It's kind of slowing down now. I checked the lower hose and it's bone dry. Upper hose, no leaks appear to be there, so it's definitely up there. What do you guys think?